Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got us a IBM Wheelwriter, and I can't even read the label because it's so worn off and dirty. I can't read what model this is, but I think it's a 15 or a 1500. Big IBM Wheelwriter, and she's up and running. But this has got to be the dirtiest machine I have ever seen. Well, actually I've seen some pretty dirty machines. But look at this. Let's see if I got some light here. My light's about died. But you can just look in here and see that there is enough dirt in here to last a lifetime. The carrier too is just completely, I don't know how many years this has gone without cleaning, but it's still working. That's the thing. These people nowadays don't clean typewriters because it's a typewriter and it's the last thing that gets serviced. There's the label. And look at the batteries. You can't even see into the battery pack. But you know, it's working. Can you say the keyboard is just about as bad here? I mean, I don't know why somebody would. Oops! It does make a noise when you return. Use a machine like this and not get it clean at some point. But, like I said, typewriter seems like the last thing to be serviced. Whereas back in the day, it was the first thing to be serviced and cleaned on a regular basis, and never, ever, ever would get to this point. But this is going to get cleaned up and work like new. So there is a problem here, and here's the problem: is the carrier locks up. Let me put a front wheel back in here. When it types and moves, it binds up right there, squeaks, and doesn't go back all the way. So the dirt has finally impeded its operation. That's really all it is a cleaning process. Just highlight a dirty IBM. We will revive it. Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.